The first of the month is typically the busiest day for grocery stores.
Your total would be $250.75. Go ahead.
It's also the day that nearly 500,000 Oklahomans get their monthly allowance for food assistance. The Oklahoma Access Card, also called the EBT debit card, which stands for Electronic Benefits Transfer, carries a monthly balance depending on income and the number of people in the family. In the last 2 months, approximately 30,000 food stamp recipients have been added.
DHS officials say in recent months, the number of people seeking food assistance has climbed about 500 more a day statewide. And that's brought us to an all-time record high.
The fact of the matter is we all recognize our economy is faltering. Oklahoma was toward the end of a national trend of seeing economic downturn. But the fact is it has hit Oklahoma too.
Gerald Davis is with DHS in Tulsa County. He says his office is seeing the same thing offices across the state are seeing. People that wouldn't normally be asking for help are coming in.
It was a calamity that brought them in here. Job loss is a big one, downsizing, laid off. Sometimes there's a medical emergency that has sapped the resources for the family.
And he says none of them want to be here.
No, it's very humiliating, even though it is help. It is humiliating, but I know when I need help, and nobody else will help me. So, I mean, this is how I can get it.
Rindy Sanseverino is newly divorced and raising 2 kids on her own. She does not have a job and has a disability.
Today here I am applying for my food stamp card. I'm not able to afford food right now for my children and I.
Officials say there is not an average profile of a person who receives food stamps, and they're not able to predict when and if the increase will level off or drop. But Davis says the federal program is available for people who need it.
I liken this to an insurance policy. They've been paying taxes, and now it's time to collect on that insurance.
Davis says despite the climbing numbers, Oklahoma has not seen the dramatic increases that other parts of the nation have seen this year. In Tulsa, Angela Rosecrans, the Oklahoma News Report.